Okay, so now we're in part B. We figured out that 64, which is the area of the shaded region, must be equal to 260 minus 2.6 r squared. We're asked to first find r and then to find the perimeter of this shaded region. So let's start by finding r. In order to find r, I need to get all my constants on one side and all my terms of the variable on the other side. So this is the equivalent of 2.6 r squared is equal to 260 minus 64. So 260 minus 64 is equal to 196. So 2.6 r squared is equal to 196. Now, if we divide both sides by 2.6, we get about 75.38 approximately, like that. There we go. And then that would make r the square root of that. So let's square root both sides. And we get that the radius is about 8.68 approximately there. Okay, so next it says for part II, to find the perimeter of the shaded region. Well, let's think about that. How would we find the perimeter of the entire thing? Well, the circumference of an entire circle is 2 pi r. However, in this case, instead of 2 pi r, right, 2 pi being the entire, the entire way around, we only want 5.2 times r. So in order to find this part here, which I'm going to highlight in yellow, we would have to do 5.2, 5.2, and then r, which we found out was 8.68. Then we also need to add that to this part of the circumference as well, this whole part. And the radius for this bigger circle is 10. So this is going to be 10 times 5.2, right? So the area, the angle here we're using, 5 in radians, 5.2 times 10. And then the last part we need is we need these little parts here. And these parts here are just 10 minus r, right? So those two parts are 10 minus 8.68, which is 1.32. And there's two of them. So 2 times 1.68. And then we just need to figure out what that is. So let's see, 5.2 times 8.68 plus 10 times 5.2 plus 2 times 1.68. That is equal to about 99.8 centimeters. And so that's our answer for this circumference right here.